Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by getting direct access to the TP-Link admin page because local changes are fastest and safest. Log in with the admin account. Once done, check firmware and note each device's IP or MAC so you can assign limits accurately. Make sure you're on the same network and avoid remote cloud tools for initial setup. Next, navigate to the Network or Advanced tab and look for Bandwidth Control or CoS. This is where you will create the actual rules. Once on the bandwidth control page, turn the feature on and enter your internet plan's real upload and download caps so the router can allocate correctly. Then add a rule for each device. Pick the device by IP or MAC, assign specific kbps limits for upload and download, and choose a priority or wait. Make incremental limits rather than extremes so the network stays responsive. Also consider grouping low-importance devices under one rule to simplify management. After entering rules, save and apply them. Many TP-Link models recommend a reboot to enforce new policies, so do it now. Then test. Run speed tests on the limited devices and on a high-priority device to confirm behavior. Monitor for a few minutes while streaming or downloading to ensure stability. If something goes wrong, check that the device IP or MAC matches your rule, reduce an overly tight limit, and make sure no other CoS or parental.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.